Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how you can change the black mode in Instagram on your iPhone. That is how you can change it. Let's now show and tell. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments, watch this video to the end. Let's get started. For this, we're going to go to Instagram. And as you can see, I have white mode. Unfortunately, Instagram developers haven't added this feature yet, where we can change the mode in the settings to black. But if you have an iPhone or iPad, you can do it very simply and easily. Go to Settings, scroll to the bottom, and open the Display tab. And then here you have white mode you change to black. Go to Instagram and your Instagram also changes to black. There's an even easier way to do it on an iPhone or iPad. Open Settings, Control Center. Here, click on Dark Mode. Add a plus, so that we have the control panel appear. After that, when we're sitting in Instagram, and we want to change to dark mode, we put the curtain down. Here we press Dark Mode, and we immediately Instagram changes to another color. After we sit, let's say we leave. We want to change again to white color. We turn off this setting and change back to white mode. This is how easy it can be done on any iPhone or iPad. If you liked this video, write comments, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.